Hi, Ellie here. Today we have two super pizza ovens to review and compare. The electric Ooni Volt 12 pizza oven and the gas-fired Koda 16 pizza oven. We'll explore the features, benefits and challenges of using both ovens to find the perfect oven for your pizza making journey. Let's start by discussing their differences. The first difference is their power source. The Volt 12 runs on electricity whilst the Koda 16 uses gas. The ovens also have different sized cooking stones. The Volt has a 12-inch cooking stone, and the Koda has a 16-inch cooking stone area. The Volt 12 has 3 dials at the front that offer temperature control, top-bottom heat balance and a timer. The heat balance dial moves the heat from the stone to the top of the oven for a faster cook. There is also a boost option that can give the stone a short burst of heat when you need it. There is a nice light at the top that gives a good glow that replicates the flame fire colour, and that provides enough brightness for us to view the pizza cooking through the door. The Koda 16 relies on gas fuel as its source and produces an adjustable L-shaped flame from the burner at the back and left side of the oven. It brightens up the oven as you cook, so you can see your pizza cooking at the back, and the burner provides a faster cook by cooking 2 sides of the pizza at the same time. The built-in gas ignition makes it easy to get started, whilst the adjustable heat dial lets you fine-tune the flame and oven temperature. Heat up time is about the same for both ovens, the difference being that the Koda 16 has the additional unpredictable factor of wind and weather, which can slow down the flames from heating the oven at times. It depends how windy or cold the day is. With a Volt, that heat up time will always be a predictable constant. Installation and setup also differ between the two. They are both quick and easy to set up. Just plug the Volt into a standard electrical outlet. The Koda 16 needs a gas bottle that connects from a pipe into the gas tank. Both are portable and easy to place. The Koda has foldable storage legs. Cleaning and maintenance are also relatively easy with both ovens. They are easy to wipe clean and both burn the debris off the stone if you turn the stone over when you have finished cooking. Both ovens have a dark powder coated outer structure and a steel interior. Let's consider the cooking experience. The Volt provides an even heat distribution due to the electric elements, ensuring more consistent results. Gas-fired ovens, on the other hand, can have a more uneven stone temperature, requiring skillful flame management to achieve even cooking. However, both ovens require a laser thermometer to monitor the stone temperature, and the Volt tends to get hotter at the back than the front, just like the Koda 16, and the pizza will need to be rotated once to ensure an even cook. The Koda 16 will need at least a couple of rotations for an even cook with its L-shaped flame burner. Both the Volt and Koda are versatile. You can use them not only for pizza but also for baking other dishes like garlic bread or roasting vegetables. The Volt can be used indoors, which makes it a very different oven from the Koda 16, which needs to be used outside. This makes the Volt a truly year-round pizza oven, as it is not weather dependent, and like the Koda 16, it can also reach that amazing high heat of 450 Celsius, 842 Fahrenheit. The Volt offers a more relaxed indoor pizza cook, giving you time to do other things whilst your pizza cooks, but not for long, as it will still require a rotation and it can cook your pizza in under 2 minutes. The Koda 16 requires constant attention during its cook and also requires more skill with the flame management and the timing of the cook, but it can cook pizza in 60 seconds. So to sum up, the Volt really is a game changer for high heat electric ovens in my opinion. Having an oven that I can use indoors when the weather is bad and unpredictable is its unique selling point for me. The only challenge I have is to create a dough recipe that matches the oven. I have had success using both Gosni's and Ooni's pre-made dough available from their websites, but I need to create my own dough that cooks well too. The Ooni Volt is perfect for those who want the convenience of electric power for indoor cooking and the portability to take outside when it's dry. Whereas the Ooni Koda 16 is ideal for those who want the control of gas flame, a larger cooking surface area, and also the portability to cook outside. And one more thing, its budget. The Ooni Volt 12 comes in at time of recording of this video at $1,000. It's $999, and the Ooni Koda 16 is $599. That's £799 for the Ooni Volt 12 and £499 for the Koda 16. So there is a bit of a difference there in the prices. There's £300 difference, $400 between the Volt and the Koda 16. It's the first electric pizza oven made by Ooni. Anyhow, that's the budget side of it. Whichever oven you choose, they will both cook super pizza. Enjoy! I hope you found this video helpful. Check out my other review videos on the link above. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye!